How to redeem enterprise points. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem enterprise points. Redeeming points for free rental days is one of the most rewarding benefits of Enterprise Plus membership. You can choose to redeem points on the website or in the application. You can redeem points for free rental days with as few as 400 points and no blackout dates at thousands of participating enterprise rent-a-car location worldwide. First of all, you want to head over to enterprise.com or open the Enterprise app on your device. Then tap on the sign in/join option. Here you want to enter either your email or the member number. After that, enter your password. Once you have entered all the details, tap on the sign in option. Once you have been signed into your account, you will see how many points you have. Enter your location and rental dates and click Check Availability option. Select Pay in Points. Now you will see how many points you need. Make your selection and click on the Continue option. Select the number of free days you want to redeem. Free days are available in full days only. Now click on the redeem option. Then you can continue with your reservation. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.